Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well, and the first month of the year is bringing you some sort of happiness and joy, and I hope everyone is keeping safe wherever you are. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a small little try on haul from Zara, Decathlon and H&M. If you like the video, don't forget to smash a big thumbs up and subscribe down to my channel. Don't forget to comment which one is your favorite piece, and other than that, let's get started. So let's start with Decathlon. So I've only got 3 pieces from Decathlon, all for running. The first one is this plain basic green, sort of a bluish green sort of a t-shirt. It's for running, obviously. It's a dry fit. I am in the size extra small. There's nothing much about it. It's very basic running t-shirt, so I got this one. Then I've got this jacket which I've used over and over. It needs to be washed. I bought it here because of the cold outside. It's also for running. It's not for running technically. It was from the mountain section, but it's very comfortable and it's for running, so I'm using it's very comfortable whilst running, so I'm using it for running. It's a nice blue and black jacket. It has got a pocket here in the arm and then 2 pockets here, which is very ideal for me because I'm going to take it with me to London and I need to keep my phone and keys in my pockets, so very useful for that. And it's very warm. It's really ideal for running. And obviously both the jackets are waterproof, which is one big thing I was looking for because it rains in London almost all the time. The next one is this one. I absolutely love this color. It's a reversible jacket, so you can wear it from this side as well. I'm never going to wear it from this side, but my uncle actually liked this side more. I went with my uncle and he asked me to buy this one, so I bought this, but I'm sure I'm mostly going to wear this side. Very rarely am I going to wear this side of the jacket. It's also same waterproof, very ideal for running, and I think I bought the one for 12 years. That's the size that fits me now. So the next one is Zara. I only got 2 pieces from Zara. There was, I think even in H&M and Zara both, there was not a lot of collection, so I could only buy very little things, and also I was not planning to buy a lot because my baggage allowance is only 25 kilos and I have to pick up other stuff that is more necessary than clothes to take from here. So the first clothing item is this beautiful brown sort of sweater. It's very warm with this beautiful frill on the neck and collars, whatever. Very cool. You can wear it up as a formal sweater, one over trousers, or as a casual over jeans or skirts. The second and the last item from Zara is this blue, very summery sort of a top. I absolutely loved it when I saw it. I don't know the material. I'm not good with it, so I'm not going to try and guess and be cool and then end up being wrong. So I'm not going to say what material is this, but definitely not cotton, as everyone can see on the camera. But yeah, it's very gorgeous sunsetty type of a top, and you can wear it for lunch and evenings. So yeah, very beautiful. So let's get started with H&M. The first one is this gorgeous black, very plain knit jumper. The only reason, this is actually very warm and nice to wear. It feels good on the skin. But the only true reason I got it is the color, because I do not have a lot of black clothing. So that's why I decided to buy this one and got this one. Next one is this gorgeous blue jumper. Very casual, nothing great about it. Very warm and chill sort of a vibe. It's really good and it's really warm as a jumper. And I really like the bright blue color, that's why I got it. Looks very cool. Next up is this cute tie and dye top from H&M. I love the detailing on this top, especially the sides, how you can adjust it to your body type. I love how it fits on my body, and also like the color combo, how it has got lilac, which is my absolute favorite color. Next up is this cute little white top. Absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. It's so cute. I literally looked at it and fell in love with this one. Also, I love how there's this cute detailing on the arms and the bottom. Absolutely love it. The last one in this haul is this mesh top. Basic but so essential. You can style it up in so many ways, and especially over your bikinis when you go to the beach, which is hopefully very soon. Oh, actually the last thing on the list are these hair ties or scrunchies, whatever you want to call it. Really good quality. I've got 3 for myself. These 3 are for myself, and these 3 are for my grandma. I think it's good quality. It's not gonna loosen up just like that, so let's see. So this is it for this one, you guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to smash a big thumbs up and subscribe down to my channel. Press the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. Let me down below which one was your favorite out of the whole, and I shall see you very soon. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye.